The journey begins with the Yamaha YZF-R3, a lightweight sport bike built to make learning feel exciting. Its 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth, manageable power, while its sporty chassis gives beginners confidence in corners. It looks like a race bike, but its friendly nature makes it an excellent first step into the world of sport motorcycles. Next comes the Kawasaki Ninja 400, where beginner-friendly performance gets a serious upgrade. Its 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine feels lively without becoming overwhelming. Lightweight handling, sharp styling, and comfortable ergonomics make it easy to control. For a rider wanting more excitement while still building confidence, the Ninja 400 is a natural next step. Then the Ninja 500 enters the story with even more usable performance. Its 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine provides strong mid-range power while remaining approachable for newer riders. The aerodynamic fairing gives it a true Ninja identity, while its balanced chassis keeps handling predictable. The Honda CBR 500R takes the journey toward a more mature sport bike. Its 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power, while the comfortable riding position makes longer rides easier. It combines Honda practicality with sporty character. The Suzuki GSX250R keeps things simple and approachable. Its 248 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine focuses on smooth, controllable performance rather than overwhelming speed. Now the CFMOTO 450SR brings a futuristic twist to the beginner sport bike world. Its 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers energetic performance, while its aggressive aerodynamic design looks ready for a racetrack. Modern technology and sharp handling give it a premium feel, making it an exciting choice for riders who want beginner-friendly performance with serious visual attitude. Finally, the Aprilia RS 457 brings racing spirit into the beginner category. Its 457 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine delivers strong, usable performance, while its lightweight chassis encourages confident cornering. With aggressive Aprilia styling and a focused riding experience, it feels like a small race machine. For a new rider,